Let us take up. So there are many questions in this exercise which are very important to brush up your basics. Let us take question number 8 first. So question number 8. First of all, I would explain the question. It's given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Then we need to evaluate the expression, the value of expression 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta. Yeah, so how to do that? First of all, you may be remembering a very important formula in algebra. Basically, we will cover algebra in the next video series, but you may be remembering that a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and we can also prove it, but it's algebra's it's under algebra video, so let us not do that. We will just utilize that. So looking at this expression, this is a kind of a and this is b. If this is a and b, and then what we have, a plus b multiplied by a minus b, so we can say that this is a square minus b square. Similarly, if we think it as a and this as b, then this will also be a square minus b square. Now what is 1 minus sine square theta? It is cos square theta. And what is 1 minus cos square theta? It is sine square theta. So then we get by law of indices, it is this. So cot theta, cos theta divided by sine theta is cot theta. So squared, it will be cot square theta. So now we know that it's given the value of cot theta is 7 by 8, and we have expressed this expression in terms of cos theta. So it is just a matter of putting value in it. So the value of that expression, of this expression, will be 49 divided by 64. Let us take another problem. It's a problem number 8. So let us see what it says. It says that 3 times cot theta is equal to 4. It's given. Then it is asking us to check if 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta or not. So is it like that or not? Are they equal or not? So this is to be verified. So one thing what we can do is that we can actually utilize this value, put it by making it the relevant or the corresponding trigonometrical ratio, and then evaluate the value of this one and then the value of this one. But there is one more way of doing that also. We can just take this expression 1 minus, and then tan square theta we can write down sine square theta divided by cos square theta, isn't it? And then 1 plus tan square theta, 1, we can write down sine square theta divided by cos square theta. And then this one we can write down cos square theta minus sine square theta divided by cos square theta, isn't it? And then here cos square theta plus sine square theta divided by cos square theta. Have you followed it? Is it clear to you how I have done these steps? And then if not, maybe just think a little bit, or you can also put that into the comment if you want further explanations. But what is this cos square theta plus sine square theta? It's 1. So the only thing we are left with is cos square theta minus sine square theta. So even without utilizing this expression which was already given, we have proven that yeah, this is equal to this. So here the LHS is equal to RHS. So it is quite okay. Let us take up one more problem. The next problem which we want to see is let us have a look on question number 9, which says that in a triangle ABC right angled at B, okay, let us make a triangle ABC which is right angled at B, and then this will be A, this will be C, and this is right angled at B. If tan A is equal to 1 divided by root 3, tan A is equal to 1 divided by root 3, and by the trigonometrical ratio, do you remember what we have found out? We have found out the value of tan 30 and tan 60 also. So basically 1 divided by root 3 is equal to tan 30. So we get the value of A as 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Now the question says find the value of sine A. Okay, so this is the first question. Find the value of sine A multiplied by cos C plus cos A multiplied by sine C. Okay, so we have found the angle of A, but actually do we also know the value of angle C? Yeah, we know that because angle A plus angle C will be equal to 90 degree. So angle C will 90 degree minus 30 degree. Are you following me? So C will be 60 degree. So here we can simply put the value of sine various things. So let us just first write down sine 60 multiplied by cos 60 plus cos 30 degree multiplied by sine 60 degree. And then there are two ways of solving this problem. You can put individual values also, and then also you can get the value, but there is another method also. We know that sine 30 is equal to cos minus A, and then we will just put the value, keep the value of cos 60, and here uh, cos 60 is equal to sine 90 minus A, and then here the second one we will just keep the value of here. So here what we got, sine 60 degree multiplied by cos 60 degree multiplied by cos 60 degree, that is cos square 60 degree, plus sine 60 degree multiplied by sine 60 degree, that is sine square 60 degree. You can very well remember that this is equal to 1. You have already read sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So the value of this expression is 1. Now let us take up the second expression. As we have already found the value of a and c, then we can derive any of the equations or expressions. So cos a multiplied by cos c minus sin a multiplied by sin c. So this is what we need to find out. Here I will use, I will simply put the angles and then try to solve it by putting its value. So sin A is 30 degree, and then sin C is 60 degree. What is cos 30? You have to remember it's a root 3 by 2. And cos 60 is 1 by 2. Minus sin 30 is 1 by 2. And sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So here you can see that both of them are same and they are being minus. So the value of the expression will be 0 actually. So I think I have not taken all the questions, solve all the questions, but I have just tried to solve all the important and most complicated problems which are there in the trigonometry lessons, lesson number 9 and 10, no, 8 and 9 of NCERT.